Imagine arriving at a destination, not in a luxury SUV, not in a private jet, but inside a machine so massive, so luxurious, and so futuristic that people stop and stare before you even turn off the engine. This is the ultra-luxury 6x6 Expedition Motorhome, a rolling luxury mansion designed to combine the comfort of executive travel, the presence of an armored vehicle, and the freedom of unlimited exploration. But what makes this machine different is not its size, it's the experience it creates. Most luxury vehicles ask you to compromise. Luxury SUVs offer comfort but limited space. Motorhomes offer freedom but rarely feel premium. Expedition trucks offer capability but sacrifice elegance. This concept changes that. One vehicle, 6 wheels, executive-level comfort, long-distance capability, and a design that feels more like architecture than transportation. From the first look, this vehicle feels unstoppable. The long wheelbase body creates a commanding road presence. Finished in deep gloss black with metallic gold detailing, every surface reflects exclusivity. At the front, an oversized premium grille dominates the view. Vertical LED lighting gives it a futuristic identity. The reinforced bumper and heavy-duty styling create the feeling of controlled power. Move to the side and you discover integrated storage systems, expedition equipment, and hidden utility compartments. Then comes the 6-wheel layout, not for attention, for capability, for balance, for confidence. This machine doesn't look built for roads, it looks built for continents. Open the door and the atmosphere changes instantly. Deep red leather seating, soft ambient illumination, premium materials surrounding every surface. This isn't a truck interior. It feels like stepping into a private executive lounge. The digital cockpit creates a clean and modern experience. Large displays reduce clutter. The panoramic windscreen transforms every drive into a cinematic journey. Long distances no longer feel long because luxury changes how time feels. But luxury alone isn't enough. This concept is designed to feel intelligent. Lighting adapts. Information stays visible without becoming distracting. Every detail works together to create effortless travel. And underneath, the 6-wheel configuration creates another level of confidence. Large all-terrain wheels, high ground clearance, heavy-duty suspension styling. The result isn't aggressive driving, it's controlled movement, smooth, stable, and powerful. Now imagine owning this, driving through mountain roads, parking beside lakes, working with panoramic views, traveling without airport schedules, waking up in a completely different location without leaving luxury behind. This becomes more than transportation. It becomes a lifestyle, a mobile luxury destination, and perhaps the most exclusive way to experience freedom. The ultra-luxury 6x6 Expedition Motorhome isn't trying to compete with luxury SUVs. It isn't trying to replace motorhomes, and it definitely isn't trying to be ordinary. This concept exists in its own category. Part private jet, part luxury yacht, part expedition machine. If vehicles like this become reality, the future of luxury may no longer stay in one place. It may travel, and once you experience that level of freedom, going back might feel impossible.